Tara 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 keti. Ketaya te whera tika. O tātou e. O tātou e.
Uplifting, and I'd chosen this year to be with our whānau, kei te mauiwi oku mātua. And our whānau, we're our politics, and so we sat down and watched it together, and I texted Che and I said to him, kei te tangi, it was just beautiful. Our ngākau was full, it was rongoa for us all, and I was saying, I don't know if it's because we're kahui maunga uri, but it just was stunning wairua, real rongoa for a time, when we need to be reminded of our beauty, of our kaupapa, our tikanga, and it was just stunning, eh? You look at all our kura, our tangata mokopuna and their tamariki out there, enjoying, understanding hautapu, all our kura around here did, but when you start to see it, permeating into our general stream and our mokopuna tangata whenua, tangata tiriti side by side, you can actually see this is who we are all holding on to be and sharing our strengths to be. It was a beautiful way to start our new year. Beautiful. And that, for me, that's who we are as a nation. And I think, again, we continue to see the pushback to retain the balance and to retain who we are as a nation, the culture of who we are with the Naonia Wakapapa, but how that's also preserved in Te Tiriti. And again, I haven't seen who has submitted, but I can guarantee, based on what we saw in the treaty principle, and this is the second highest, that we will have just as many tangata tiriti who will be supporting, again, who we are as a country founded on Te Tiriti and who we're not. So I'm really, we've seen some poor behaviour from, the right wing in this country, but we've seen some amazing, uplifting, empowering pushback, and I'm holding to that. That's who we are. I think the opening dates are 1st or 2nd of July to August, don't quote me, but anyway, they're opening up. I think the first thing is that we've seen exactly what a country can be if we don't participate, if we're not at the helm. And we are a better place when we are involved and directing and steering the waka the way that our mokopuna, our communities need. And this is what we're contending with at the moment. I think to some degree the fact that we've got an extreme horrible government in, because it's actually reminded us to not be complacent. So it's really important, whānau, and I've heard some of the names, and some have come to ask for tautoko, which is beautiful, and if they have the courage to stand up. The thing is that we are able to design and be in charge of our tino rangatiratanga in multiple ways, participate in our hapu, our marae, our iwi, for sure, but also this is one of them. And I think that's why it really matters. These polls that these kaupapa that we're involved in are again about restoring balance. And so check it out. Tautoko our whānau. We're really hard on our own. You've got to be pretty tough skin to be able to put your name up on a good day to do anything for us as Māori, but particularly with the way that the government's carrying on. But also in Wanganui, we've got a local government that's probably a lot more visionary than some of the others, and I know some will probably say you for real, but they've come out and been really strong in their opposition to seabed mining. So they have a Taihauāuru emphasis. They have a future focus for our mokopuna. So I think it's really important. Make sure, whānau, we get involved, and the more we participate, the more we can steer our waka the way that we need it for ourselves and as whānau and hapori.
Tara 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 keti. Ketaya te whera tika. O